Good day, everyone. This is going to be another random video. I'm asking, this is kinda a podcast type. So, what's the future of this page? I will just tell you what is the future of this page. So, before I said prepare for shorter videos. So, I will make more of a podcast type of video here on Kyle's Meditation. So I could prepare more content in the future. First and foremost, what do you mean by podcast type? So I will be less formal when it comes to my discussion, unlike before that it is pure sermon type, your orthodoxy type of sermon. So I will be more, since ito namang YouTube page na to is really more of the sociological aspect, or the current events. This is not really the page for the pastoral or the traditional. So if you want the traditional setting of sermon, so you will go on my Facebook page. I will start to upload there maybe next week. So since I am quite adjusting on how do I address my sermon. This is just my discussion of what is going to be the future of this YouTube page. So since this is more of the social events, I will break down more of what is happening towards not just the church, but in the world in general. So, like I said before, so everything is already done in the second heaven. So, all of the end time plans are already with Satan. So, this is what I've been saying for the last year. Lahat na nung gagawin nila sa dulo is already in writing. Nasa ano na nila yan, plano na nila yan. So, let's see in the future. So, we will be talking politics, yes, definitely. We will be talking psychology, definitely. We will be talking physics, yes, all of the academes. So, and all of the, well, even show business. Well, let's talk about it. Okay. Show business is really not about God. Let's admit it. It's all about what Satan wants to bait. Ano ba yung ipang papain ni Satan sa'yo para ma-distract ka kay Lord? So, TV, Facebook, pati mga paparating na I forgot the name, LBRY, yung mga paparating na browsers. Manda na kayo kasi meron ng mga kalaban si Google, pero sabi ni Lord, Facebook, yan yung mga naka-base kay Satan. This will stand until the end. Kasi hindi na to yung malulugi katulad ng mga Kodak. No. Because Facebook has learned their lesson na they have to adapt through time. Siyempre, pagka may basbas ni Satan, siyempre, hanggang dulo na yan. Kasi, you might be asking me, bakit hindi na malulugi itong mga Google? Hindi na malulugi yan kasi, ito na nga yung plano nila eh. Talagang gusto nila, unity na. So, from the social media websites, so talagang gusto nila may mga big websites kasi gusto nila pag-iisa-isain na nila yun eh. So, yan, yung mga sociological events to. So, ngayon ko lang talaga siya i-implement. So, be prepared for more recent analysis of things. So, I will put article someday. So, abangan nyo yun. Ilalagay ko sa comment. So, ilalagay ko dun. So, this is going to be our future of this page. So, I find out that the Lord is telling me na parang wala na yata sa BMGO na YouTube page. Parang parehas ng traditional yung ginagawa mo. So, okay. Time to step up. Time to step up with this one. So, okay. So, ever since naman may mga maling doktrina naman talaga sa Bible. So, ang napagdidiskitan kasi natin, yung maling doktrina, hindi natin napagdidiskitahan yung ginagawa ng mga tao sa Diyos. Regardless of any denomination. So, what is happening with the Orthodox Church? What is happening with the Church of Science? Abangan nyo yun. So, what is happening? Magkakaroon ba ng bagong movement? Well, definitely. Because Satan likes it. Satan likes diversity kasi Satan likes to distract Christians from their faith. So, how do the pastors will do their sermon eventually? So, andyan na yung AI, andyan na yung mga magpapadali sa buhay ng isang tao. So, there are a lot of things so that is going on. What is happening in the world of the sciences? What are they now? Kasi they're really planning to integrate everything into one para mas madali nga naman nila makontrol. So, psychology is already a thing. Psychology is already a start point towards witchcraft, Rosicrucianism, and the like. So, well, everything is interrelated. So, ito na yung magiging susunod kong content. So, yung mga sermon series break ko, it's all in the Facebook na. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa Facebook. So, maybe next week. Yung Second Heaven, andun na sa Facebook yon. Doon ko na siya ilalagay. Kasi sabi ni Lord, outdated na yung mga sermon mo. So, hindi naman outdated, pero outdated na siya sa VMGO ng YouTube ko. So, time to move on. Anyway, so, sa Monday, ano ba yung natin? Ano ba yung simula natin? Sige, ito. Cyber social life. Abangan yan. Virtual world. What's in the virtual world? Abangan yan. Kasi I've been noticing that relationships already built in the chat. Messenger, Tinder, Viber, and the like. So, LinkedIn is also in. So, a lot of the messaging apps is already there. People does not need to get out for them to socialize. Everything is within their home. Oo nga naman, bakit ka babiyahe? Ano nga naman, lalo sa Pilipinas, commuting is very hard. So, a lot of people just prefer to work at home. Kasi sayang oras, kasi minsan magta-travel ka 2 oras, travel mo pa lang. Paano kung medyo malayo, 4 na. So, the 4 hours is really been wasted to just transporting yourself. So, why not just work at home? Abangan niyo yan. What does the Lord wants to say about that? What does the Lord want to say about the virtual world? So, sabi ni Lord, yung virtual world yan is way too low. Wala pang teleportation eh. Wala pang telepathy. Wala pa yung systematic study of oneirology or the study of dreams. It's all about ang oneirology kasi is parang just an extension of psychology, but as a matter of fact, there's a different world in oneirology. So, abangan niyo yan. So, all of this are just what is happening. The pandemic is nothing really new. Consider World War I, World War II. When there World War III, and sabi ni Lord, magkakaroon pa ng World War IV. Nothing is new, brethren of the Lord, like I said. So, ano ba yung motive ng World War IV? Yung World War II kasi is to establish the United Nations. Now, World War III is going to be their first attempt to the one world government. Susubukan na nila pag isa-isahin yan. They will try to force it, but the Lord said it will fail. Alam nyo kasi, gusto kasi magbawas ng tao ni Satan eh. Inuulit-ulit ko na eh. Kasi, di nga nila kaya, mga kapatid sa Panginoon. Di nila kaya yun. So, well, normal na magkaroon ng relationship sa Tinder, sa even Messenger. It's normal. So, you might be asking me, so possible na pala yung multiple relationship? Ay, oo naman. Kasi pwede naman kasi itago kasi yung tao pwedeng gumawa ng multiple account. Yung isang account, ila-like lang din yung page niya. So, I mean, see? Everything is more flexible in the virtual world. For the next week, ano naman yun? Ano naman yung gusto sabihin ni Lord yan? Ano ba yung napapansin ni Lord sa virtual world yan? Well, sabi nila, wala naman bago kasi ang tao naghahanap ng pagmamahal. People will try to find peace. Kasi yung iba naman, mag-work from home kasi gusto na nilang mapayapa, ayaw na nilang mga marites, ayaw nilang maingay. So, yun naman yung ibang dahilan nun. So, and then yung sweldo naman, PayPal, GCash. So, gusto nila parang everything is within their home. I don't blame them. May mga ibang tao naman gusto sa labas pero ayaw ng biyahe. So, mag-work from home. Tapos, yung sobrang oras, yun na lang yung pang-exercise, yun na lang yung pang-socialize. So, what is in the virtual world? That is going to be our topic. So, how does the work setup from here going on? Magkakaroon na ng virtual reality na parang nakaupo ka na rin, parang nasa office ka na rin, pero in reality nasa bahay ka lang naman. So, there's a lot. So, there's a lot of possibilities in the virtual world, to be honest. More deceptions are coming, brethren of the Lord, because everything is already there. So, ang ilan sa mga masasabi ko is, ayan, for example, yan online classes. So, nung pandemic, no, nung kasagsagan ng pandemic is, higpit. Talaga nasa loob lang ng bahay. Upon talking the kids, what do they want? Online or face-to-face? Karamihan face-to-face kasi ang katuwiran daw, boring naman. Ano man gagawin namin sa bahay? Pero kabaliktaran naman, magtumanda ka na, anong gusto mong setup? Work from home na lang din. Kasi yung mga bata kasi, they want the kids to suppress, so they cannot handle the mental consequences of being at home. Kaya yung mga bata before, they wanted to play outside. Pero ngayon, they want their children to be inside. So, ayun na yan. Ayun yung sa implication. Maraming nababagot, maraming nagbago ang isip, maraming nawala sa wisyo. Pati matanda, marami ring nawala sa wisyo. So, sa awa naman ng Diyos, ginabayan naman kami ng pamilya ko na maging maayos naman. Lahat naman kami sa kabutihan ng Diyos ay nasa wisyo pa. May mga nakausap ako, wala na. So, what are some of the implications onto this one? So, sabi nga ni Lord, yung LGBT, madadagdagan na ng mga robot, yung mga sexually inclined sa mga robot. Madadagdag yun. So, well, this is more of the social events thing na. So, nawala na raw sa VMGO, sabi ni Lord. So, let's adapt. Let's adapt. So, ano yung implication noong baka akala nyo hindi napapansin nila yung parang yung mga sumisikat na content yung parang puro sa relationship, puro sa daily life. Ayun yung mga sumisikat na content, maraming nag-view dyan. Pero napansin nyo ba, sumisikat ba yung content ng tungkol sa totoong salita ng Diyos? Wala kasi ayaw kasi ni Satan yun So, kaya yung mga totoong Kristiyano na nag-persevere, talagang hindi talaga nila pasisikatan yun. Syempre, ayaw ni Satan yun You might be asking me, so yung revival virtual, kasi virtual world the answer is no. That is why the crusades will be very important kasi the way you propagate the gospel is still on the traditional way. You cannot do it virtually kasi your mind may be there, but your physical appearance has to be around. You cannot preach the gospel without the actual without the actuality of you doing it. Pwede naman mag-share sa Facebook Sigurado ka ba makikinig sila sa'yo pag nasa Facebook? Although, sabihin na, sigurado rin ba makikinig pag nandun. The thing is, mas malaki ang at chance na makikinig talaga sila sa'yo kasi pumunta talaga sila dun eh. So, mas malaki yung chance na talagang hindi naman nila seryosohin yung sasabihin mo kung virtual lang din. Abangan nyo yan. So, actually, marami pa. So, kabilang na dyan yung marriage. Yan, sabi ni Lord. So, yung marriage pala, pwedeng virtual na rin. See? Kasi yung services, nag-thrive naman ng virtual, pero ang plano kasi ni Satan, isusuppress nga nila yung internet. Pagka alam nilang para sa gawain ng Diyos, talagang i-shutdown nila yung internet para sa'yo. Abangan nyo, marami ang gustong ni Lord sa social media. So, yan, yung mga live streamers, yan. Wala man lang nagda-live stream ng wala ako nakikita masyadong prophet sa nagda-live stream. Kasi wala rin naman makikinig sa kanila. Ever since naman, hindi naman pinapakinggan talaga yung prophets masyado. Kasi inisip nila, matagal pa naman mangyayari. Yun yung sa mga bagay. Or di naman mangyayari kasi mabait naman ng Diyos eh. Sabi na Lord sa akin, oo nga, mabait nga ako, pero wala rin tayo sisiyan kung tinuloy ko yung plano ko. Kasi sinabihan ko na dati. So, yun lang naman. That's all about it for today. So, see you on Monday. God bless.